Ever hit snooze and wonder why you're even getting up? Like the world's spinning, but you're stuck in place? Hey, today's podcast is all about motivation, that spark that makes life worth living. If you've ever felt lost, stay with me. Because even on your worst days, having a reason to rise is pure gold. Let's paint a picture. You wake up, check your phone, and feel nothing. The day's just a checklist, no meaning behind it. I knew Emily, a graphic designer in Seattle. She used to light up rooms with her ideas. But after a string of rejections, she shut down. Stopped sketching, stayed in sweatpants, and binged Netflix for weeks. She told me, "I don't even know why I bother. It all feels pointless." Without motivation, you're like a ship with no compass, drifting, not sailing. Then there's Mike, a barista in Denver. He worked hard, but the daily grind and low pay made him question everything. He stopped joking with customers, quit his weekend hikes, and just coasted. Not miserable, just empty. Ever dreamed of being so rich you never have to work? Just chillin', no money stress. Sounds like paradise, right? But look at Australia's indigenous communities. They get government checks, free health care, housing support, yet many aren't thriving. Why? Despite this aid, poverty persists and crime rates are high, with indigenous people, just 3% of the population, making up 28% of prisoners. Issues like addiction and despair run deep. Money's there, but without purpose, life feels hollow. Motivation, not wealth, is what keeps us alive. Sound familiar? Maybe you've had days where you wonder, why am I doing this? Lose your why and you lose your fire. Here's the deal. Your why doesn't need to be epic. It's not about fame or a fat bank account. It's that one thing that makes you want to face the day. Maybe it's brewing a perfect latte or helping your kid with homework. That's your superpower. Take Lisa, a school bus driver in Ohio. She's up at 5 a.m. dealing with rowdy kids and icy roads. Why keep going? Every kid I drop off safely is a win, she says. It's my way of making a difference. Her why is those kids' smiles. Or meet Alex, a cashier in Miami. Retail's tough, long hours, grumpy customers, but Alex told me he stays motivated by saving up for his sister's college fund. Every shift is a step toward her future. That's his why. What's yours? Maybe it's hitting the gym or cooking dinner for your family. If you're here listening, you're already searching for it, and that's huge. Your why is out there, waiting for you to claim it. Let's be real. Life's messy. Maybe you're juggling credit card debt, a job you don't love, or family drama, but here's the secret. You don't need a perfect life to feel alive. If you can name one reason to get up tomorrow, you're winning. Happiness is finding meaning in the everyday stuff. Look at you. You're here, tuning in, chasing something better. That's your spark. Tough day? Doesn't matter. Try this. Grab a pen tonight and write down one thing you're looking forward to tomorrow. Maybe it's a coffee run or calling your mom. Those small steps, they're your path back to purpose. Life's a roller coaster, but as long as you've got a why, you're unstoppable. Hold on to those moments that light you up, no matter how small. As Maya Angelou said, you may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. So, what's your why? Start small, start today. Thanks for listening. If this sparked something in you, share it with someone who needs a boost. Let's keep the fire alive. See you next time.